What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I just want to give y'all a little quick tip on what I be doing to set up my lives before as y'all see. Then I'm gonna show you what I do. I go to the settings. This is where I put it on dual camera. That way, once I finish recording it, I can download it and I can put it on my YouTube channel. So this is what I do. I go to the settings. Normally, this is where I'm gonna show you what I normally do every day. When I do this, I always go to audience control because I want to be on 18 plus. Then they have the dual camera right here. There where you can turn it on and off. On this section right here, you put it at the circle, you can put it at rectangle, then you can move it up and down. This is the area where you can have it on dual camera, so whatever that's in front of you and you can see yourself at the same time. Hit that right there. Then go to your settings, and once you after I finish there, I scroll this down right here. Then you go change your goals, whatever your goals be. Put your goals in at the time. Put in your topics. Since I'm doing burpees today, that's all I'm gonna do right there. I know that's the main thing I do, but I wanted to let you know that all you have to do is just go to once you go in here, go to your settings right here. Change it up. Normally I remember I do this right here, but once you go into your thing, you got the dual camera right there. It goes a dual camera layout. Once you got the dual camera layout, once you go into your live, you be able to do the dual camera as well. But that's a little tip. So until next time, I'll holla at y'all later. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. I'll holla.